Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the Brown ring test for nitrate ions. Brown ring test is used for the identification of the presence of nitrate ion in the given salt. In the given salt, we have to find out the nitrate anion. Nitrate anion. For this one, the reagents are, what are the reagents we are taking? The reagents are freshly prepared ferrous sulfate, and 2 concentrated sulfuric acid. This is a test to detect, it is used to detect what? Nitrate ion, presence of nitrate ion in the given salt. In the given salt, we have to find out the nitrate ion. What is the method? First, step 1 is salt solution. The salt solution is added with freshly prepared ferrous sulfate. Freshly prepared ferrous sulfate is added to the salt solution. Let us suppose it is present in a test tube. So the test tube is having, along with the salt solution, we are adding ferrous sulfate. Freshly prepared ferrous sulfate is taken. Now to this one we are taking what? Sulfuric acid is taken. Let us consider this is a sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. The concentrated sulfuric acid is taken. These two acids are added to one another by keeping the test tubes at an angle of 45 degrees. The test tubes are kept at an angle of 45 degrees. This is concentrated sulfuric acid, test tube containing concentrated sulfuric acid. This is the test tube containing salt solution added with ferrous sulfate. Now these are kept at an angle of 45 degrees. These two are kept at an angle of 45 degrees. Then the acid is added to this one slowly through the walls of the test tube. It is added to the, let us consider, here is the test tube, here is another test tube. This is the test tube having salt solution and ferrous sulfate. To this one I am adding the concentrated solution. So these two are kept at an angle of 45. Thus the sulfuric acid is added slowly by dropping along with the walls of the test tube. Don't add the solution all of a sudden, because this is highly exothermic. There will be explosion takes place suddenly, because this is highly exothermic. That's why it is added slowly by taking at an angle of 45. Then what happens later? At the joining of the two solutions, let us suppose this is one solution and this is what? Salt solution along with the ferrous sulfate. Here is the solution I am adding. Let us consider this is the concentrated sulfuric acid. Now at the interface of these two solutions, brown ring is developed. A brown ring is formed. Which is formed? Brown ring. The presence of brown ring gives the idea of nitrate ion present in the salt solution. I explain the method once again. In the first test tube, we are taking salt solution along with a freshly prepared ferrous sulfate. To this one, concentrated sulfuric acid is added. The test tubes are to be kept at an angle of 45 degrees. Now this is added to this one by dropping along the walls of the test tube. Then after some time at the joining of two solutions, this is called interface of two solutions, a brown ring is formed. The formation of brown ring represents the given salt contain nitrate ion. Now what is the mechanism in this one? What is the mechanism taking place? The mechanism taking place is, first, in the presence of sulfuric acid, the ferrous ion is oxidized into ferric ion. First, the ferrous is oxidized into ferric ion. Ferrous is oxidized into ferric by the nitrate ion. The nitrate ion oxidizes ferrous into ferric, itself reduced into NO. Itself reduced into NO. Now here listen to me. What is happening? Nitrate oxidation state is 5 here. NO oxidation state is 2. Here what is happening? Plus 2 is decreasing. So decrease in oxidation state is called reduction. So what we say? Nitrate is reduced into NO. That means act as oxidizing agent. So what we say? Nitrate oxidizes ferrous into ferric. Ferrous into ferric. And nitrate itself itself is reducing to, nitrate is itself reduced to NO. Nitrate is itself reduced to NO. I am again explaining. Nitrate oxidizes ferrous into ferric. Ferrous into ferric. Increase in oxidation state is called oxidation. So this is oxidized to ferric. And itself is undergoing reduction. So NO3 minus oxidizes ferrous into ferric, whereas NO3 minus itself undergo reduction. Itself reduced to NO. Itself reduced to NO. Right? Now, one more point is, actually ferrous sulfate is hexahydrated complex. Ferrous is hexahydrated. It is having 6 water molecules. This is the point we have to remember. Okay. Later what happens? The ferrous in the presence of NO changes into which one? It changes into FeH2O taken 5 NO along with plus 2. So there what happened? One water molecule is replaced by NO group. It is replaced by NO. Here what is happening? Actually NO oxidizes to give 1 electron. This electron is gained by Fe plus 2 to change into Fe plus 1. So on overall, what is happening? NO is oxidized. NO is oxidized to NO plus. Fe plus 2 is reduced to Fe plus 1. So this is the point you have to remember. Oxidation state of iron in the brown ring formula is plus 1. Oxidation state of NO in the brown ring formula is plus 1. So what is the formula of brown ring? The formula of brown ring is what? The formula of brown ring is taken as nitrous O. NO plus is called nitrosonium or simply nitrous O. This is plus 1 and this is overall plus 2. Now you calculate oxidation state of iron. Iron is already I told you in this one, iron plus 2 is changing into iron plus 1. Plus 2 is changed to plus 1. So it is having plus 1 oxidation. Very important. Oxidation state of iron in the brown ring formula is plus 1. Oxidation state of NO overall is +1. What is the name of brown ring? Brown ring is known as nitrosoferrous sulfate. Nitrosoferrous sulfate. So brown ring is chemically nitrosoferrous sulfate. What is brown ring? Brown ring is chemically nitrosoferrous sulfate. One more question. Oxidation state of iron in the brown ring is iron is +1. Now oxidation state of NO in the brown ring is +1. Oxidation state of iron is +1. Oxidation state of NO is +1. It is chemically known as nitrosoferrous sulfate. Nitrosoferrous sulfate. There is one more question. They will ask, what is the magnetic momentum of iron in the brown ring formula? You know iron is what? Iron number is 26 along with argon. So we have to write 4s2 3d6. Now one electron is removed here. You know NO plus is strong ligand. This strong ligand do what? This strong ligand force 4s electron to pair up with 4s electron to pair up with which one? 3d electrons. So the configuration is in general. This is a configuration for 3d6. Now here this s electron is forced to pair up with this one. So it become what? This one become, that is, this is paired with this one. Now as a result, how many are left there? 3d2, 3d2, 3d1, 3d1, 3d0, 3d1. Again here 4s0. Now tell me how many unpaired electrons are there? There are 3 unpaired electrons. For 3 unpaired electrons, what is the magnetic momentum? Mu is equal to n into n plus 2. On calculation, 3 into 3 plus 2. Root 15. Root 15 is nearly close to 4. That means 3.87 Bohr magnetons. This is the magnetic momentum of iron plus in the brown ring formula. The next one, what is the hybridization? What is the configuration we got? 3s2, 3d2, 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 3d1, 3d1. Here is 4s0, 4p0, 4p0, 4p0 and 4d0, 4d0. Now do you know how many ligands are present in the brown ring formula? In brown ring formula, 5 water molecules. There are 5 water molecules and 1 NO plus. So overall it has 6 ligands. So for 6 ligands we need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the hybridization is called, what is the hybridization? sp3d2. So the shape of this one is octahedral. sp3d2 and shape is octahedral. This brown ring test is explained. Now the main points I am recalling. What is the formula of brown ring? Formula of brown ring. Formula of brown ring is nitrosoferrous sulfate. What is the oxidation state of iron? +1. Generally, most of the students are writing +2. This is wrong. +1. Oxidation state of NO is +1. How many unpaired electrons are there? Number of unpaired electrons is equal to 3. So magnetic momentum, root of n into n plus 2, root of 3 into 3 plus 2. So root 15 or nearly 3.87 Bohr magnetons. Thus, what is the hybridization? sp3d2. What is the shape? Octahedral. Shape of the complex is octahedral. This is all about the brown ring test. Thank you.